So let's get back. So we're gonna get back to the facts. So he raped one of his gay homies. One of his gay homies, he put the knife to his neck, and he told him to give me that ass. Give me that ass. And he took the ass in the day. It ain't funny, but this how reckless.
That's the first whole ass charge in my book.
Exactly, and but my nigga, this how reckless he is, bro. Any nigga that'll do that to a nigga, you reckless, nigga. Who the fuck? You put the knife to the nigga and told the nigga open your asshole so I can do you.
Oh man, god damn, bro. Tell me this ain't so, bro. Damn, bro. I still on a platform with this nigga.
Okay, hey, and now I'm about to put the ice. I'm not gonna put the icing on the cake. Hey, look. Hey, look. I ain't gonna put. Now check this out. Let me tell you else how he a liar. Remember when he sat on his platform to everybody in the world? When we first found out that he was arrested, and he said what? That's a child endangerment charge. Yeah. Because I beat up a little kid who was in 9th grade and I was a senior. Hey. They expelled me out of school and all this other shit. That was a whole fucking lie. It's right there on the public records. He beat up a girl. He beat up a fucking girl and she was disabled.
Bro, God damn.
He beat up he beat up a disabled girl. She was cross-eyed and everything. I swear to God, I'm not trying to talk bad about her, but like